Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Jamaica selects a winner for Redbull Dance Your Style. Now on Saturday night, Jamaica held the national finals for the 2023 Redbull Dance Your Style. The event, which aired exclusively on RETV from the Halfway to Transport Centre, saw 16 dancers battling head-to-head in 15 rounds. Each round saw dancers being eliminated, and at the end of the night, Shakeem Skitter star Thomas from Kingston was crowned the Redbull Dance Your Style 2023 Jamaican national champion.
Skitter is going home
no for them
with
like
this beautiful trophy tonight. Come on, wanna make some noise, no? Add them up, no? Show some love, no? All right, Skitter star, congratulations! You are our Redbull Dance Your Style champion 2023.
Them girl keep the black thing.
All right.
We still a win.
Skitter Star will represent Jamaica on the global stage at the 2023 Redbull Dance Your Style Street World Final in Frankfurt, Germany this November. Erica Mena has been fired from Love and Hip Hop after hurling racial slurs at Spice. In a statement from the Love and Hip Hop franchise posted on their official Instagram page, it was revealed that Mena, effective immediately, will not be on the next season after she faced backlash from fans for referring to her co-star Jamaican dancehall artist Spice using a racial slur. The statement added that the franchise has never shied away from hard conversations and that the impact of Mena's statement will play out over the final 3 episodes of the current season. The incident occurred on last week's episode of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, when Mena and Spice met in an effort to end the brewing feud between the two. The conversation quickly escalated into a heated argument. Spice joined the cast of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta at season 7 after first appearing as a guest in season 6 when she performed for the cast during their trip to Jamaica. Now, tributes are pouring in for the late singer and songwriter Jimmy Buffett. On Saturday, fans, celebrities and friends of the artists, including US President Joe Biden, former President Bill Clinton, Elton John, Andy Cohen and others, paid tribute to the iconic singer following the announcement of his death. A statement on the star's official website revealed that he passed away at his home in Long Island, New York. The 76-year-old died of Merkel cell skin cancer, which he was battling for the last 4 years. Now, the statement added that he continued to perform during his treatment, listing his last show as a surprise appearance in Rhode Island in early July. Buffett's career spanned more than 50 years and included hits such as Margaritaville, Come Monday, and It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere. According to the Recording Industry Association of America, Buffett sold at least 23 million albums in the United States alone.
Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days and around LA. I just want you back by my side.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.